Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to shape a beard easily. This will be a simple facial hair tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now, I have let this beard grow for probably a little bit over 3 months now, give or take. And I only trimmed it once at the beginning of the growth. I trimmed the nice little neckline and just to get an idea of where I wanted it to be, but then I just let it grow out. So there's a little difference here, but I'm going to show you how to shape a beard. Other than that, I haven't touched the sides, I haven't touched the mustache, I haven't touched under the lip, I haven't touched anywhere. This is literally like a completely just grown out beard with no trimming. Like, take a look here. Look at these mustache hairs, okay? Now, my wife has been telling me, Mike, trim your beard, trim your beard. And I said, I want to make a nice video about it, so please bear with me. So, you know, I hope you appreciate the fact that I let it grow this long because it's pretty tough. So let's get right into it. You're going to need a trimmer or a razor. Now, essentially what you're going to want to start off doing is you want to trim out your beard, your neckline, your beard neckline. Now, there are a whole bunch of rules. Like, some people say find your Adam's apple and then go 2 fingers above and that's where you want it to be. But I just like to look at my beard, and I have a mirror over here. So I'm going to look over here and I like to sort of come down from the sides about right here so that when I look straight into the mirror, my chin lines up with that mark. So wherever my chin falls on my neckline when I'm looking straight at my face, that's where I like to trim. So take your trimmer and you want to hit it up like that. So what I like to do is I like to go and get kind of close to it first. So just take your trimmer, deal with all the lower hairs, get close to the line that you want, and then we're going to fine tune it, okay? So we're just going to clean up all of these hairs over here, go in the direction against the grain so you get a nice clean shave. And now that I'm close, we're going to just get a nice line there. Hopefully you can see this on camera. Yes, you can. Perfect. So we're going to try and get a nice line there. And you want to come about 95% of the way right here. 95% of the way, okay? Not 100%, I'll tell you why. We want about 95% of the way right there. Now, if we take a look at where we are so far, you can see that I have a nice line going, but it's not really straight. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go the last 5%. We're going to straighten everything out. Now, bear with me. Like I said, I'm looking at the mirror, so just bear with me, okay? We're going to straighten it out. Get a nice straight chiseled line. You want a chiseled line. I like to start off on either side to make it nice and even at first. Just like that. And then I work my way to the inside. Okay? And what you want to do also is you want to either take a beard brush or comb or just your fingers and move that hair down, because you're going to notice some overgrowth. And when you have that overgrowth, you can then tackle it with your trimmer. So take that beard down like that. And now I'm going to take the trimmer. Instead of going this way, I'm going to go this way. And I'm just going to tackle that overgrowth. Just like that. Very good. Okay, so now we have our neckline. It's not, I would say this is pretty good. I mean, for a quick job, it's pretty good. You can take your time, you can do a better job than that, but pretty good. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our sides. So we're gonna chisel our sides. You don't want all this overgrowth here right here. So what I like to do for this is take your trimmer, and I like to put it this way. So we're not going this way. We're going with the teeth of the trimmer sort of pulling away, okay? I like to just hold my facial hair to the side like that, and you can get a good idea of what I'm going to do like this. Start at the top, go down nice and slowly, and pull away right there. Once again, go down nice and slowly, pull away right there. Then we're going to get the corner right there. So I like to go like this. Chisel that corner nicely, get rid of the excess hair. Okay, as you can see, the side looks much better. We're going to do the same thing with this side right here. I'll try and allow you to see this. Okay, straight down, pull away over there. Once again, straight down, pull away. Then you can take your trimmer, clean up right at the corner there, just like that. Excellent. Okay, so now we have the sides and the neckline. And the idea here is that we're tackling the perimeter of the beard. That's really what we're doing. It's all about taking care of the perimeter of the beard, all around the beard, okay? Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take care of this over here. So these cheek lines right here. Take your trimmer. I like to go teeth pulling away from the beard, but some people go towards. I like to go away, and sorry about that, but what you want to look for is a nice straight curved line like that. Some people like to go straight. I like to go curved because as you can see, I'm kind of patchy up here, so I like to kind of curve it in like that. Keeps the thickness on my beard. So I'm gonna do my best to show you what I'm doing here. I just tackle the stray hairs first, all over there, okay? Then I go and I create that line. Now I'm sorry if you can't see, I'm gonna do my best to get this on camera, but I don't wanna mess this up. So I go ahead and I create that nice line like that, okay? As you can see, it looks much better. Nice chiseled line. If you want to really clean it up, then you can go with some shaving cream and a razor right there. But I'm going to do the same thing on the other side over here. You can probably get a better idea of what I'm doing now because you can get a better view. Get rid of all these stray hairs up there, just like that. And then a nice line. We're going to create that nice line. That's what we're looking for. Very good. It's all about designing your lines, okay? You can do whatever lines you want, but you have to design them. Now, I did notice that I went a little bit lower on here than on this side, so I'm gonna go a little bit lower on this side to even it out. Just like that, okay? Next up, we're gonna tackle the mustache on the top right here. If there's any hairs that you need to tackle right there, you can go ahead and hit them up like that. If you want to get a nice chiseled line, I am fortunate enough that I don't have many strays up here, so I don't have to do much there. Then what you want to do, so now we've pretty much gone over all of the perimeter on the outside. We're going to tackle the inside perimeter right here. So you want to basically clear up your mustache hairs that are overgrown onto your lip, or you can groom them to the side, but for me, they kind of grow over my lips, so I'd like to trim them off. And then you want to trim up over here, or you can leave this. If you want to let this fill in, you can leave it. As you can see, I'm really patchy over here, so I'm going to trim it up to clean it up. So I got some hair in my mouth there. What we're going to do is we're going to take the trimmer, we're going to take care of these overgrown mustache hairs. So, oh, that feels so good because I've been eating my mustache hairs for weeks. All right. So I'll show you one side. As you can see right here, it already looks so much better now that I cleaned it up. You just want a nice chiseled line. You know, it's like coloring a picture. I should stop talking when I'm doing that. It's like coloring a picture. When you color a picture, you don't want to go outside of the lines. You want a nice solid line, right? So we're going to just finish up right here. Just like that. One more on this side, just like that. Okay. All right, so now, sorry about that. Now we've chiseled up the mustache, as you can see right here. Nice clean line. And we're gonna get rid of this right here. All these, you know, I don't have much growth here and I'm not interested in growing a full beard over here, so we're gonna get rid of that growth right here. Take the teeth and I'm just gonna clean it up. And I like to keep it simple. I just do one length, one width of the buzzer on each side. That's my guide. So for me, I do one width on this side, like that. And then one width on this side, like that. Simple as that, so simple. Now at this point, I like to go upwards, clean it up, go against the grain, okay? Just like that. And what you can do if you really want is you can also clean up over here. So I'm just gonna just touch this up, just like that, and this side too, just like that. As you can see, looks a lot better. If you look at what it looked like at the beginning of the video until now, we're talking about a night and day difference. Like it looks like a completely different beard, cleaned up, maximum. It looks incredible compared to the beginning. Now every beard, you know, you're gonna be your worst critic in the sense that I can look at the mirror and I can spot all of my imperfections and all of my patches. But you might look at this beard, you might say like, oh, he has something that I need, like I have really thick hair down here on my neck and then it all fades out over here, right? But you might say, I really wish I had thick down there in the neck to make it look a little bit more girthy down there, right? So you're going to be your own worst critic. Shape your beard, trim it nicely, and it's going to look great. It's going to look fantastic. It's going to, as long as you keep it well groomed and well trimmed, it's going to look fantastic. As far as I'm concerned, this is a finished job. I might go and touch up some things when I get a closer look in the mirror, but I'd say this is pretty much done. And that's basically it. I really hope you've enjoyed this video on a tutorial on how to shape a beard. I've only grown a beard a handful of times. This is pretty much the longest that I've ever grown it to be. But I'm planning on shaving it off, to be honest with you, and then I'm probably just going to let it grow again in 6 months from now. It's just the way I like to do things. I like to change it up. But that's it. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.